Today is day 23. So without further ado, let's get back to learning. So we're going to open a Power BI file. So the first instruction says demote the column headers to become the first row of the data. So let's do it one more time. So all these column headers, they'll now become the first row of the data. You can see it is back here. Now the instruction now says we should transpose. Now we want to switch these columns to become rows. So to do that, I'll go to the transform tab where I'm going to transpose the whole columns there. So if I click on this transpose, you can see all these columns are now. So let me go back here. From this row 1, it will become a column. This row 2 is going to become its own column. Then the next instruction now says we now promote these first rows as headers. So we want all this year, January, February, March to become headers. So I'll go back to the home tab right now and just use first rows as headers. You can see that we're transforming the whole data set. So I can easily name this one as company name. The instruction now says on pivot all other column except column name and year. So on pivot, we want to bring it from many columns rather to rows. Because we have many columns here. We want them to become rows. So what I want to do, and the goal is to go on pivot only this January to the end of December here. So to do that, let me go back here. I don't want to unpivot all this, so I'll now just use shift to select these two columns, and then I could right click and say unpivot other columns. Let me move this away. Unpivot other columns. So when I unpivot other columns rather will become rows. So you can see, boom, you can see all those columns now becomes rows.